beautiful
story. The story name is The Cat and the Monkey. Let's start!
The calf seller and the monkeys. Once there was a man who sold calves. He carried many calves in a basket on his head. He was a calf seller.
Cap, le lo cap, the sky, cap, le lo cap, the sky. Eh,
बोलो.
I'm so tired. I take some rest.
One day he slept under a tree. There were monkeys on tree. They came down from the tree. They took away all the calves. Peno. The calf seller woke up. He saw the basket was empty. He looked around and above. The monkeys were wearing his cap. The calf seller shook his fist at the monkeys. They also did the same. The calf seller scratched his head. The monkeys also did same. The calf seller has an idea. He took off his cap and threw it in the basket. Then the monkeys also did the same. The calf seller got all his cap back and went away happily.